Hi there, I'm Melissa Harlow, founder of Volunteer Voiceover and a professional voice talent with a background in nonprofit organizations. Today, we're going to show you a new way of thinking platform that blends the world of rising voiceover talent and nonprofit organizations with meaningful volunteer work. Have you ever wondered where the voices in ads, campaigns, or commercials come from? That's right, it's people like us. While we usually work behind the scenes in our recording studios, we also have huge hearts that are ready to volunteer our voices for the causes that we love. That's why we've created an industry-new platform that empowers rising voiceover talent to volunteer their skills and gives nonprofit organizations a place to collaborate and find free voiceover talent. But we're asking you to help. So how does it all work? Rising voiceover talent become a member of the platform, create a robust voiceover profile, and most importantly, volunteer their skills. They can connect directly with colleagues, access training resources, and contribute to causes they believe in, all while building valuable relationships and working on real projects. Nonprofit organizations of all types can be a member for free, create SEO-rich profiles, and search for the perfect voiceover talent for real projects. And communication is made easy through our direct messaging platform, leading to collaborations that may last a lifetime. But here's the best part. Nonprofit organizations pay nothing for their delivered recorded audio. Being a professional voice talent requires years of dedication, coaching, and expensive equipment. Volunteer Voiceover provides a platform for voice talent to gain experience and collaborate without auditions, contributing to real projects and enhancing their professional profiles. Here's a perfect example of where I've used my voice to help a nonprofit. Means Database is rebranding to foodrecovery.org. We have a clear new name, sleek new logo, and an amazing new website. These changes were made to better reflect the work that we do, but our mission and team remain exactly the same. We're all still dedicated to saving food and feeding people. Last year, we recovered 52 million pounds of food, and we can't wait to recover even more at foodrecovery.org. Your support helps give rising talent and nonprofits a safe space for collaboration. Your pledge to support this first-time ever community platform will help us grow a new way of thinking and collaborating, and will tell the world that you were part of the story. Volunteer Voiceover, partnering rising voice talent with nonprofits who need a voice. What could be more perfect?